everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini Priyadarshini Megur, also known as Avi, and I'm a PhD student in the field of biology. Today in this video, I wanted to talk about the EMOLENE cream and what are its benefits on the skin, what does it do, and it is also known as propylene glycol cream. I have done a lot of videos on dry skin condition and I have mentioned all the details in the description below, so please go and check it out. And this cream that I'm going to be reviewing today is also one of the cream that is used for dry skin type. I personally enjoy using this cream because it is so nourishing, it leaves your skin so light and it doesn't feel like your skin has an intense moisturizer on. It's very lightweight, it goes a long way. I purchased this product in November and it still lasts for me. I got it in India, and the saddest part is that it is an Indian pharma cream, so you cannot get it like everywhere, so that's like a downside about this cream, but this does a very good job. If you are in India, you need to give it a try and tell me what are your thoughts about this cream. So the EMOLENE cream provides effective hydration, promoting skin softness, suppleness and nourishment. It is infused with urea and propylene glycol, and it functions as humectant, maintaining the skin moisture and providing particularly beneficial for addressing dry and extremely dry skin condition. You might ask this question, what is humectant? Urea and propylene glycol. These two are powerful humectants. Humectants are the molecules which attract water from the surrounding and then help it to penetrate into the deep layers of your skin. So humectant plays a very important role when your skin is extremely dry, and urea in the studies has been used on the skin conditions who have extremely dry skin, and to improve the moisture content in that skin, urea has been used. A lot of urea study says that it is one of the well-known ingredient to cure dryness on the skin. And also propylene glycol acts as a texture enhancer, and it is also a humectant. It's kind of an all-rounder ingredient. So propylene glycol can be used from 1 to 5% in the concentration, and it is excellent for all skin types. The texture of this cream feels so lightweight, it is so good. I mean, I have found a true cream that is really good for oily skin type as well as for skin of color. It is good for Caucasian skin. It's like an all-rounder cream. I am not joking when I'm saying it. I am dark skin and I've been using this cream. I'd never had any sort of breakout or any problem, and this cream just blends well with all the other ingredients that I'm wearing. I specifically have a skincare routine when I'm applying this moisturizer to my skin, and the skincare routine is as follows. How to apply EMOLENE cream for best results. My skin is extremely dry, so I like to start off with the pure rose water from Kama Ayurveda. I just love this rose water because it acts as a toner. Then I like to make my skin a bit damp before applying any humectants on my skin. And the next thing that I'm going to be applying is the serum. And serum is the best choice because the one that I'm using is from the Ordinary multipeptide serum with hyaluronic acid. It is high in humectant property, that's why I like to damp my skin and then rub it between my palm and then gently massage it. It has small peptides that can help to improve the skin by boosting the collagen level, and also it gives a nice glowy effect when I have a dry skin. After that, I like to just nicely moisturize my lips with Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. It's not necessary that you have to use it at nighttime, but I use it all the day, so it's okay. And then I'm going to be using the propylene glycol cream. I mean, look at its consistency. It's so watery and creamy at the same time. I'm in love with it. The EMOLENE cream uses is popular for preventing flakiness, rashes, dryness, and itching. Its ultra moisturizing properties facilitate the healing of minor skin irritation, rashes, and rough patches. I mean, what more can you expect from this cream? Did you know that this cream can be also used for kids for diaper rashes, and also the redness or else the rashes that is caused by the synthetic wear of the clothes, so you can also use for that. It is also used for the treatment of skin burning that is caused by radioactive therapy. So it is like a plus, all pluses about this cream, and you can see the content over here. It says that the composition is quite straightforward. It has propylene glycol, IP, and then there is urea that is 1.5 mg, and the propylene glycol is 15 mg, and it is all formulated in the cream base. But in the video, if you see the texture, it is so well like watery jelly consistency, it glides so well. As it is a prescribed cream, it doesn't have any sort of fragrance or comedogenic ingredient, but it does have different ingredients like squalene, captic triglyceride, which is extracted from coconut oil, and also glycerin. So these all ingredients are present in it, and that will help for dehydration. You don't have to even worry if you have oily skin, you can still use it because it is so lightweight that you won't feel oily or else something that can trigger your sebaceous gland, something that can trigger the acne or can lead to formation of the sebaceous filaments. So everything is just perfectly well formulated in this cream. It stays on my skin for a good 5-6 hours, and it is not having any fragrance, which is a plus. And when you apply it, you can see that it just instantly gets absorbed into the skin, which is again a plus because sometimes the moisturizers just stay as a thick layer, and I'm tired of wearing thick layers sometimes, and I want my skin to feel light, I want it to breathe, and this is a moisturizer that I always go to when I want to feel light and I don't want a lot of thick moisturizers on my skin. A best choice for summertime moisturizer, and also good for applying on your whole body. It is not restricted only for the face. You can apply it all over your body and also help it to hydrate, but there is a way of using it. As it is high in humectant content, you need to damp your skin and then use it. You can also wear it in winter time, but the winter, like in the harsh winters, which is like -1 or -5 or -10, and it's going lower, then you don't have to use this cream because it won't give you the enough moisturizing effect. But if you're living in a place where the temperature drops to approximately 0 degrees Celsius, then this cream is totally fine to be worn in winter time. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Write down in the comment section below what do you think about this cream and what are your thoughts about it, and also make sure that you click on that bell icon and also subscribe to my channel, and I will be seeing you guys in another video with another concept. Thank you very much for watching again. I will see you soon. Bye.